What have we got here? Oh, thank you for purchasing with us. Some fancy new emblems. Subimods. Very nice. Comes with the backing. So we are going to swap them out right now. All right, what are we going to use? We are going to use some Goo Gone to get the backing junk off there. Once we get this off, heat gun. You could use a heat gun, or you can use hair dryer. If you use a heat gun, make sure you don't melt your paint or plastic. That's easy to do. Some alcohol and various plastic tools for prying, like trim tools and stuff like that, to get the emblem off, and a microfiber towel and some paper towels. So what we're going to do, turn the heat gun on, heat this up hot to the touch, and then get our little plastic prier behind there and nice and easily pry it off. When you're doing the heat gun too, you want to make sure you're moving it back and forth and all around. Don't stay in one area, because you definitely will melt your paint and your plastic, because these things get hot. And obviously you have a temperature dial on the back, but just go nice and easy. Another way, if your plastic tools aren't really getting in there, you can lay down your microfiber, put this on top of it, this meaning a metal screwdriver, and get down in there and kind of pry it back, and you can see it start to come. But if it's still really hard, go back and heat it up. So this protects the paint. You don't want to just do this and reef on that, because that'll mess your paint up. Screwdriver in there, help pry it up. All right, and get this pry tool in there. And again, if it's not really coming off, don't force it, because I slipped and made a little tiny mark right there. Work it around, heat it up, work it around, get it off. Once you get it started with your fingers, you can shove the pry tool under there, like pulling back, shove it under there, and kind of release some of the 3M tape, and then it'll come off. So there you go. We'll clean this area up and we'll stick the new one on. All right, got all the sticky stuff off, almost all, and off. And then I used some alcohol, clean the area. Make sure it's nice and clean, get all in there. You can see using the tool, it scratched the paint a little bit, but obviously that paint is gonna be covered with the emblem. And it's not metal, so it's plastic, so it's all right. Take off the backing. Pretty self-explanatory if you've ever put a sticker on before. But the big reveal, line it up, push it on, make sure it's nice and tight. Ta-da! Little fluorescent yellow flare. Looks good. Now we'll go do the front. All right, same process on the front. Heat it all up, get your tool behind there, work it off. So it's gonna look, I don't know, not as good, because it's gonna be fluorescent yellow and we're gonna have the red stripe here. So I actually ordered, and we've got the hella horns in there, which are also red, but they've been faded to pink. So I'm gonna try and get those plates off, because I have fluorescent yellow paint. So I'm gonna paint those. I got fluorescent yellow pinstriping. You could buy kits that's like the exact length, but it's like 12 or 13 bucks. Or you can just buy a roll of pinstriping and do it yourself. So getting this goop off, the goop, meaning the 3M backing, if you just kind of scratch at it with your fingernails, it comes off in pretty big chunks until it gets like a thin layer like this. Then I just roll it. Get your fingernail if you have any. You get it rolling. You can kind of just push it off with your fingers like that. And I didn't use any Goo Gone on the back one because I didn't need it. And I probably won't need it on this one either, because the Goo Gone, to penetrate something this thick, it'll take a while. So it's easier just to kind of roll your fingers on it and roll it off like that. See? Roll it, roll it, roll it. Just shove your finger in there. Roll it, and then it comes off in a nice chunk eventually. All right, got it all nice and clean. All the backing junk off. Well, almost all, and now it's off. Like I said, future plans. Change this red stripe to a fluorescent yellow stripe. Black this guy out, and the hella horns in there I will also paint fluorescent yellow. Make sure you don't pull up the gray. Going. Guide holes, you really can't screw it up. It's easy. Put it on there, press it down, good to go. Subimods emblems, they look nice. I mean, get this little white edge. I didn't expect I'd see that, really, but not a big deal. I'm just a little particular, so there you go. Also, I want to get something to hide this license plate area. So, like I said, more videos to come on this guy, videos on that guy, videos on the quad. I also have Rally Armor mud flaps. They are here, and that's probably going to be the next video. Did 15% tint the other day. Done, looks good. So yeah, like, subscribe, follow along. Looking slick.